Moyen, Ascenda Mike. I'm very excited because I'm going hiking today, and I'm going hiking on a brand new trail system. It is the Éislek Pied. It's a whole new category of quality trails that have these beautiful signs, and on the trails themselves, that's how you can tell an Éislek Pied. It's got this logo. This is the Diekirch trail. I want to go in the direction of Deiwelselter. That way. Here I go. This is the Deiwelselter, which is Deiwelselter. It was built from the stones of a dolmen. The dolmen was destroyed in 1815, and I think this was rebuilt 1892. Okay, there's sort of a lot of ways here. How do you know which way to go? There it is, the new Éislek Pied signs. That way. Well, I'm back at the Diekirch trailhead. That was tip top. I will be doing all the new Éislek Pieds, and I am really looking forward to that. Have you hiked any of the Éislek Pied? Move your ears once for yes. Oh yes, okay, he has. Cool. Thanks for joining me at Each Out. Tip top.